Welcome to my YouTube channel. This tree is known as Baniyan tree. Its botanical name is Ficus benghalensis. Other names in English Baniyan tree, in Hindi Bरगद, in Punjabi Bhor or Bhor, in Gujarati Bat, in Marathi Bat, in Tamil Ala, in Telugu Pedamari. In other languages, this plant is also called as boar or bear. Indians call it a wish-fulfilling tree. Banyan tree is a huge tree with very extensive branches. It is said that at one time more than 10,000 people can sit under its shade at one time. It is a evergreen tree. Its branches spread out and send trunk like roots to the ground in order to support itself. It grows to a height of more than 20 to 21 meters and lives for many years. The leaves are 10 to 20 centimeters long. White milky fluid oozes out of leaves if broken. Found in almost all the parts of India, Banyan tree is the national tree of India. The banyan tree also has several medicinal properties. Its leaf, bark, seeds and fig are used for the variety of disorders like diarrhea, polyuria, dental, diabetes and urine disorders. Banyan tree is respected and is considered as sacred by the people in India. In the sacred Hindu book Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has sung praises on the banyan tree. People in India grow banyan tree closer to the people tree. As banyan tree is considered as the male plant closely related to the people tree. It symbolizes Trimurti with Vishnu as the bari, Shiva as the branches and Brahma as the roots. Indians considered banyan tree as Kalpavruksha, the tree that fulfills all your wishes. Banyan trees are known as Bata Vriksha or बरगद का पेड़. The banyan tree is useful to manage the glucose level in the blood by managing insulin secretion because of its antioxidant property. Another advantage of antioxidants present in banyan tree is it helps lower bad cholesterol in the body. During arthritis, the banyan tree is beneficial as it has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which helps manage the pain and inflammations. The paste, which is prepared using banyan tree bark, is useful during gum problems as it has substantial anti-inflammatory properties. For preventing depression and anxiety, the fruits of the banyan tree helps reduce stress. When applied to the skin, the extracts of leaves of the banyan tree give a soothing effect. The paste prepared from the leaves of banyan tree also helps to fight skin allergies. The banyan supplements are also effective in lowering skin rashes and acne problems. The intake of bark powder helps to lower the loss of water from the body by making thick stool because of its astringent nature. During constipation, the extracts of the banyan tree are beneficial as it has a good amount of dietary fiber. The latex of the banyan tree is applied to the swelling and wound for quick relief. The decoction prepared from the bark of the banyan tree and its fruit is effective in treating diabetes. The fruits of the banyan tree contains the compound serotonin that helps to fight against depression and anxiety. The massage using the oil extracts obtained from this tree helps to provide muscle relaxation. The decoction prepared using the banyan tree leaf is very effective for treating the problems like vomiting and nausea. There are no side effects on the consumption of banyan tree products, but they should be taken in appropriate quantities as a precaution. For a precautionary measure, if breastfeeding or pregnant women should avoid the intake of these tree products, it is better to consult a doctor before use. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want like this videos notifications, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.